I hope you've been enjoying these videos I've been putting together for you. I know I've been having a blast doing it. I've been using as inspiration this book, 27 Principles Every Investor Should Know, written by Stephen J. Atkinson. So sit back, relax for a couple of minutes, because here comes another principle every investor should know. If you've ever ordered room service from a fancy hotel, you know that club sandwich and soda was significantly marked up over what you'd pay from the deli down the street. Many investment products are also marked up, and those investment costs can seriously eat into your returns over time. And that's not all. A 2016 study by Morningstar found that costs are the #1 determinant of performance. The higher an investment's cost, the less likely it is to outperform its peers. And as the complexity of investments go up, costs rise also. Hedge funds, for example, charge 2% a year plus 20% of the profits. Mutual funds, especially actively managed mutual funds, have a number of fees and expenses that can really add up. In fact, actively managed mutual funds are generally twice as expensive as index funds or asset class funds. This is why it's so important to read the prospectus for any investment that you're considering so that you know exactly what the costs are going to be. Now, investing isn't free, but it doesn't have to be overpriced. So the principle is fees matter. Don't spend extra when you don't have to.